Yo guys, so I got back from school and I heard something was here, but look at this. I have been waiting so long for this birthday present. Read that. It says, Scooter. Oh, hi, doggy. Hi. Okay, so I've been waiting forever for this thing to finally be here. So let me go open this and show you guys what's in it. Alright, so we have, let me pull my chair out. This is my birthday present, which is over a week late because of dumb customs because of COVID. Anyways, I've been waiting so long for this. Well, not so long, but still. And I snapped my other decks. I had like nothing to write, and well, I just gave it away already. But yeah, let's just open this thing right now. Okay, so here is the dumb tracking paper that I don't care about. Okay, and then, oh my gosh, what I've been waiting for. This beautiful deck. Oh, just a sec. Okay, so this amazing deck is here. Apex Pro Scooters. They got the Apex, yeah, sheesh. Alright, let's open the box up. Oh, dang. Yo. This thing honestly isn't that light, but it's so strong. Yo. It's actually a little bit light. Look at this thing. It's so clean. Yo. What do you say we get it? I say we get a quick montage. Let's. So, what do you say? I think we should rip this bad boy up and throw it on my scooter. What? I can't talk. Let's throw the grip tape on. Whoa. Let's throw the grip tape on this deck right now. Alright, so I have this stuff to grip my deck. I got my grip tape right here, which isn't white. It's like clear and white. You'll see when I put it on my deck, but yeah, I have this stuff to put grip tape on my deck. I almost poked mine out. This is all I have to put on my deck. So, Mom, if you're watching this, I have to use this. I'm sorry. But let's go ahead and put the grip tape on. Or let's take the break off first. break them, and then let's put the deck. Well, let's put the deck on the screen. Let's get this bad boy on right now. But I say, what do you say we go sesh at this? No, what do you say we go sesh at skate park right now and get some flips on the thing? I say that's a good idea. Let's go do it.
Well, it's the next day, and it's in the morning. That's why I look tired, but I forgot to film the outro, so... And I also only got one clip at the skate park. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time, but don't leave yet, because I'm going to play let's play the trick I did, or the one clip I got. I'll give you a hint. It's a flip something. Go watch that right now. Or, it's going to play. Just watch that right now.